What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I know I've been slacking on the content, but your boy been living his life, you know. I'm not too big on the yapping, so I'm just gonna get straight into the video. It kind of annoys me, yeah. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use glycolic acid, and I'm gonna be telling you guys the benefits that it has and how you can use it to improve your skin.
So glycolic acid works by removing the top layers of dead skin cells. Glycolic acid also helps to reverse sun damage to the skin. People use glycolic acid for acne, aging skin, dark skin, patches on the face, and acne scars.
Alright, so to get started, I'm gonna start by washing my face and then completely dry it. So I'm gonna be wetting my face with warm water to open up the cuticles, and then I'm coming in with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, and all the products that I use are gonna be on my Amazon store, link in the description.
I know school just started, but let me know what the first day of school was like for y'all. I don't know if y'all watch my videos in the United States or if you guys watch my videos elsewhere, but mine started September 3rd. Let me know down in the comments if you had the first day of school, and let me know how it went.
So now I'm gonna dry my face, and remember to pat dry your face because your skin is sensitive and you don't want to cause any rashes or bumps and irritations on your skin. Do it softly and pat dry, not like this. So completely dry your face. So this is what the bottle looks like. This step, I'm gonna be using cotton pads. This is gonna be on my Amazon store, so make sure to check it out. Everything I use will be there. So I'm gonna take one and put it on it, and then put it on my face and wait 5 minutes. So after that, wait 5 minutes. Alright, so after the 5 minutes is done, what you want to do, you're not going to rinse it off. What you want to do is add a facial moisturizing lotion on top of it, because that's what it's for, and you're good to go. My skin feels pretty good. It feels amazing. It feels smooth. So boom, this is what my skin is looking like. If you made it to the end of the video, congratulations, man. But yeah, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if your skin feels good after using this. And yeah, I'm gonna be making more hair content, and I'll try my best to upload because school is here and I'm gonna be busy, and I'm still gonna be cutting hair. So you know, I'm gonna try my best to plug you guys in. I might throw in a little haircut video, curling video, but yeah, stay tuned. This is the end of my video, and yeah, I'm out. Peace.